This question was asked in GATE 2005. The question was, packets of the same session may be routed through different paths in. So basically, if we talk about packets, so packets, it is termed in network layer. Packets, it is in terms of network layer. Now there might be many reasons due to congestion, due to traffic, due to any reason, they may choose any path. But TCP and UDP, TCP and UDP, they are transport layer protocol. So there might be some situation, let's say that may be congestion control, due to which packets may choose different routes, right? So it may be possible that same sessions packet may be routed via different paths in TCP as well as in UDP, because they are transport layer protocols, and packets are generally works in where? Packets works in network layer. So due to any reason it can be so, but TCP and UDP both are capable that in the same session, if they want to route through different paths, it can be routed. So this question's answer is option B.